Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make cool photos like this without the use of software like Photoshop and stuff on the computer. All you need is a couple of apps on your iPhone. I'll show you which ones they are. Okay, the first one is called Picsart. So I already have a Picsart, you just have to search for it, download it. Second one is called background eraser. So background eraser, and I already have it, and I'll show you how it's done. So let's say, for example, you need to look for a photo. So we need to look for for example, fish photo. No. So search for something with no background already, which makes things easier. So sometimes you won't even need background eraser. But if you look for something with no background, like this, for example, as you can see, with if it shows you that the background is checkered, that means it already has no background. So this will only need Picsart to use. So I just go save image, go back to Picsart. So click on the plus sign down here, plus edit. Let's close out of this, edit. Let's grab this one. Close the ad. So, and you just scroll here and you click on add photo. You pick the fish, click on add, and then we can just, since it already has no background, put it right here. You can even zoom in so to make it easier by using two fingers. And there you go. Click on apply and right arrow, and then you can save it. Okay, so this one has white background, so we just save it. Save image. Go to background eraser. Click on the top left to pick it up. See how it has white background. We need to erase that background, so we go erase target area, and because it has a high threshold, we're gonna have to reduce it. There you go. Done. And this way you can use it in Picsart as well. Now let's say you wanna get an image that has background already, so we'll grab this one, erase. We need to remove the background from this one, so we just go, it's already erased, so we just go like that, like you can erase everything around it. You may need to reduce it so it becomes easier, and you can even go inside like this to make it easier. So just want my head. And now just make it bigger again so we can move. you can go back. You can remove everything else around it. So, yep, and done. Oh wait, there's more. Go back to erase and like this, and click on done. Next, and we want to save that. Save. Yes. And then we go back to Picsart. Click on the plus sign down there. Edit. And choose the main photo again. Close the ads. Then click on add photo. Choose the head. Add. And then we can put the head down here. Turn it around. Like this. And there you have it. It's a lot of fun. You can play around with it and yeah, do a lot of stuff. And just next to save it. Save. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and share this video. Thanks. Bye.